To save a media or a specific substrate that you're regularly using in the media library, click on Menu, select Media Settings, Media Management, and here you have up to 30 slots to save your specific substrate or media. Click on the first slot. You can change the name. I'm going to use acrylic. Click OK. Then we can select the media height. We have two options. We can either select automatic or manual. Automatic means the SureColor V1070 will automatically measure the height of your substrate. Or we can select manual and use a digital caliper to manually measure the height of our substrate and type it in here. I'm going to use automatic measurement. Go back. And then we have the media gap setting, which is by default 0.05 inches. We recommend keeping this setting per default. Now we're going back, and we can see acrylic is saved here in the media management library. And now here on the home screen, we have media acrylic. And if I have other substrates, I can select them here quickly as a quick set from the list.